Kaya natin bumawi na. Kaya.
This is gonna be fun.
Sayang dat pala, inis ka lang ko agad habang pinikan mo. Dapat inanaw ko yung blast. O kasi andun siya sa Getty. Ito sa sag eh.
Last player standing.
Goodbye.
Spike planted.
Where are we going this time? Remember what worked in the past.
Sana nagbulag pa ako sa akin. Tayo madadali.
Placing sentry.
Makabesa na siya.
Muckers, off we go.
Armor lang na ba? Sige kuya, pick na lang tayo kapag ka, ano. Pistan ako. Talong ka kuya pag meron. Para masilip mo na ako. Bulag pa ako.
Reloading.
Here. Multiple.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Spike down B.
Help
30
stun.
seconds left.
Go, 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 go. Stun. Stun.
Aww. Can't yourself.
Pero na-stun siya, di ba kuya?
Now we start a winning streak of our own, eh?
Turret out.
Dito ako. Dito naman ako pwesto kuya mamaya. Sige lang, diyan ka lang. Paporda lang kita ng YouTube. Tag-out ako kuya. Walang tumitingin. Ano ako dito sa... Tayo naman. Wala nag-watch kasi ng mid eh. Ang pangat ng peso ng club, nakatago lang siya.
not kill my allies.
Enemy spotted.
Kita ano tuloy, nakapasok
Last
agad dun sa
player
kabi.
Found them.
Spike planted.
Andiyan, close sa mid. Pangit ang peso ng club kasi.
Their tech is only as good as their skill. And that...
Naka ano lang siya kuya, nakatago lang siya. Yung asin tago talaga na hindi na nakikita kung may dadaan sa mid. Nag-ult ako, doon agad yung Reyna. Patay.
I'll find their cipher.
Pikaran mo kaya? Kaya kaya. Nagbulag ako. Ay, sayang. Na-sprayan ka?
Bot coming back. Alarm bot down.
Wait.
I know exactly where.
Ay!
Spike planted.
Inside.
Initiated.
Cutting their vision.
Last player standing.
Ayun ko ult.
Oh, this reminds me of this one time where I, actually,
Never mind.
Hindi, sige lang ko eh. Para ang bundle din, ma'am. Apply lang yung mga kampi natin.
Push him back. They're stepping on us.
Istanin ko pag mag-pick ka. Pag may nakita ko na.
Eyes down.
Nice.
Enemy spotted B.
Going B ako.
Many enemies mid. Fire of night.
Tara, bigyan ko kayo bulag kuya. Tara.
Who?
One enemy remaining. Thrifty.
Okay.
Keep your weapons. This heart and soul I need.
Their sage is a coward hiding behind walls. Grow a spine already!
Hindi kaya kahit isa lang. Ay, oh, dalawa. Kala ko ulti. Okay. Dalawa yun.
Turret out.
Ha? Mamaya na. Mamaya na lilipat.
I love this sport.
Bigyan ko kita isang kuya. Hintayin mo kuya pag may kumuha ng orba. Ah! Nasa taas. Saan yung kuya sa taas?
Bot coming back.
drop this.
Blinding!
What? Hindi nabulag? Hindi nabulag?
Go ahead!
Player standing. Spike planted.
Taga na ba mag-ulti?
My turn.
I shot something.
Ulti ka pa.
I'm amped. Let's go.
Pag
I
sumable
got
ko
things
yan
to
kahit
do.
ano mo, unang bullet, kahit dalawa. Hindi pala bulag yun. Dito ako nagbulag.
Turret out.
Sige, may ulti ako pang sakali.
My ult's ready.
Spike down A. One enemy remaining.
Placing swarm grenade.
The enemy only looks composed. Their hearts tell a different story.
Ay, kuya, off. Pwede mo.
Gun here.
Pwede mo off, kuya. Wala ko yun.
Right there.
Turrets destroyed.
Eyes down.
Spike
Ate,
down
W ako
B.
dun.
One enemy remaining.
Sige, kuya, tara.
Flash out.
Pawayan.
Blinding.
Long.
Bulag magdamag yan. Ano na?
Outside
Diyan
of
na.
this gig, immortality doesn't have as many day-to-day benefits as
Doon
you
ka,
think.
doon. Ang gugulo ka naman, Scarlett. Diyan, kuya. Pwede ka, kuya. Gusto mo, kuya, ano?
Turret out.
Sige. Okay, dito ka pesto, kuya.
Right
Gusto
there.
mo. Ako titingin dun sa taas. Dito,
Right
banda.
there.
Tapos mag-dash ka na lang pabalik dito.
Let's fly.
Abantayan ko yung taas mo. Meron.
Night night.
Padiretso.
Sniper buried.
Tap.
You will not. Bye.
Kuya, go mo. Nice stun yan.
Flash out.
One enemy remaining.
Everyone is off, Daisy. My ult is ready.
Hindi, meron ka namang skin quest. Ay,
You know what we should do?
okay.
I'll tell you.
Pakurong namin na lang ako. Ulti pa ako eh.
Sentry.
My ult's ready.
Hold those angles.
Nice.
Spike down B.
Turret down. My ult's ready.
Spike down mid.
Blocking sight.
One enemy remaining.
I never
Go.
There.
Walang pala.
Last round in the half.
I didn't care how you do it. Just spend all your money.
Maybe buy a shorty or two. Need a gun. Thank you. Turret out.
Oh, knock-off lahat. Kala ko ako inaano mo. Go, Reyna. Ay, stun. May ulti ako ya.
Blocking sight.
Blinding. Go ahead. Stand your ground. I got enemies A.
Spike down A.
You had your fun. My turn.
Precise. Enemy spotted A.
Pasok pa kayo ha.
I know exactly where you are.
Right there.
Dito yung bomba eh.
30 seconds left.
Trevor!
Last player standing.
Oho, nag-ano ako, nag-whip.
No peeking.
Ah, hard down.
Spike planted. One enemy
The eyes
remaining.
are down.
Ayun, doon no. Doon ka. Kaya nga, doon nga siya akong kukunin ng trip. Go, 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 go. Kaya niya yan. Kaya sinuko.
Don't interrupt my work.
Switching sides.
Woo! We got this.
Pwede yan, kuya. Pero akong binibili ko dyan, kuya, ano? Tignan. Ghost tapos isang smoke. Para pang entry.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Pwede ka dito kayo mag-entry. Ano bang gusto mo? Kunin to o... Ano? Saan ka ba magdadash?
I'm here to stay.
Sige, sige. Sa switch. Tanin ko yung ano.
Reloading. Reloading.
Tan ko backside.
Turrets destroyed. Enemy spotted mid.
Spike planted.
Kaya nyo na yan. Abang na ako dito.
One
Visual
enemy
cycle.
remaining.
Flash out.
Okay, where's Sage? This Scheiße hurts.
Reloading. Reloading.
Okay, we know the drill. Stick to your roles and we'll crush it.
Banda na agad.
Come on,
Target
then.
out. Placing alarm bot.
Concussing.
Blocking sight. Terminated. Gun here.
One enemy remaining.
Jen.
No one beats me. No.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Na ano ka lang kasi kuya. Na
And
pag
figuring out how.
natrap ka
just
lang.
ask. Placing alarm bot.
Reloading.
Reloading. Blocking sight.
Saan ka tatanong kayo?
Still inside. Cutting the reach.
Na-stun ko yung ano. Yung spawn, na-stun ko yung spawn. Nakakuha kami sa kuya, tapos may info. Goods na.
Spike planted.
Placing swarm grenade. Swarm grenade out.
112. Nice.
One enemy
Finish.
remaining.
Market.
That's another dead one.
Tama yan, mag-pick kayo ng sabay-sabay lahat.
Just let them try to catch me.
I got money.
Need a drop.
something?
Thanks.
May ulti ako. Pwede naman ko eh.
Alarm bot out. Placing sentry.
Cutting their vision.
What?
Spike down A.
May trap pa pala doon. 1-3, 1 raptor.
One enemy remaining.
Nice shot.
Who could have predicted this? All right, I did.
Alright, lucky socks. Don't fail me now.
Reloading.
Could I have a drop? Thank you.
Tatanungin mo ba kuya yung market? Sige, sige. Stanin ko. Ito ang may stand ko na portion kuya. Sa banda.
I don't quit.
Alarm bot out.
Turn out.
Sige kuya. 1, 2, 3. Instant ko na.
Yikes. My ult's ready.
Destroy.
Headshot.
My own ready.
Tignan na.
One enemy remaining. Flawless.
Wow, so embarrassing.
Walang palag
Match
talaga yung
point.
kuya pagka ano, ganun sa market.
We're so
Tapos kung sakaling may isa pa man, ang gawin mo kuya, tago ka lang muna sa smoke kasi smoke ka ng clove. Tago ka ng smoke, tapos bigyan kita ng flash. Pagka-pop ko ng flash, tsaka ka mag-pick ulit sa smoke.
Placing alarm bot.
Gusto mo kuya, ano ka naman, drop ka dito, tapos dash ka pa side. Pwede yun kaya. Stand ako sa side.
dropping slow. Lucky side reload.
Side.
Go ahead. Stand your ground.
My ultimate is ready.
Bobo naman. Nagdalaw ko isip ako,
Spike
mag-skill ako, hindi.
One
One
enemy
main,
remaining.
last main 120.
Initiate.
Tama yun. Main yan kasi naabangan yung ano ko eh.
Found them.
Expired.
Hot one. Anticipated.
Attackers win.
Okay, that's done. Close is
Na ano siya, tas patay ng boss. Na ano siya eh, nahuli siya ng ulti. Sakit lang naman.